Java flow control concepts are mechanisms that enable you to control the flow of execution in a Java program. These concepts help you dictate the order in which statements are executed based on certain conditions or loops. The primary Java flow control structures include 1. Conditional statements. Its subcategory are 1. If statement, 2. If-else statement, 3. Switch statement, 2. Looping statements. Its subcategory are 1. For loop, 2. While loop, 3. Do-while loop, 3. Branching statements. Its subcategory are 1. Break statement, 2. Continue statement. These flow control concepts in Java provide the necessary tools to make our programs dynamic and responsive to different conditions and scenarios. They allow us to create flexible and efficient code by controlling the sequence of statements based on specific criteria. See you again. Thank you.